We must love birds, keep them clean and protect them from diseases. Monkeys are racing to get delicious bananas to eat. The child takes the egg as his dwelling. We all need friends in our lives. The beautiful cat dances with its mother. The beautiful sports car runs on water in an amazing way. While making dinner, the dog wants to eat a large amount of delicious cut steaks.
No.
The white whale jumps and plays over the cute dog loves the adorable box game. A genius person makes the best plastic card professionally. The little horse is actively running on the ice and having fun enjoying the snow falling on the ground.